Everyone, so in this video we are going to talk about how to install this great platform. It's a digital marketplace, so you can sell your digital products online, and of course you can add your payments like Stripe, PayPal, whatever. So if we are going to go to the /admin, for example, we are going to go through the admin panel, so you can see all the instructions and statistics for your own platform. And for the payments like Stripe, like PayPal, like other payment methods, you can add it from payment methods, as you can see here. So you can like enable PayPal, you can put your instructions of PayPal here, like for Stripe as well, for Razorpay, for Flashwave and others. So if you want to add your bank account as well, so you can like add it here, so your customers could pay you directly to your bank account. But if you just want to add your PayPal, you can do it. If you want to disable, you can disable just from here. And that's it. So if you want to manage to add your products, you can just manage everything, manage categories, you can manage whatever, like for the website as well, in all sections here. If you want to manage footers, blogs, whatever. Okay, if you want to go to the website, as you can see here, we have each page here, like we have the page for product here, we have another pages, we have like 3 templates. As you can see, we have the home one. As you can see, this is the home one. If you'd like to set up this template, okay. If you want another template, it's for home 2. As you can see, guys, this is a home 2. All right, if you'd like the home 3, this is the home 3. All right, you can set up the home template that you'd like to have. Okay, guys, so for sure, if someone like your product, you could just go through the product and click buy now here for live preview, add to cart, and the product is going to be added to the cart. So the customer just go through, continue to, and proceed to checkout. As you can see, proceed to checkout. As you can see, the customer is going to be logged in and pay you via PayPal or Stripe or other methods. Okay, so here this platform is just for digital marketplace. Okay, and other people could start selling in your platform, so you can take fees. Okay, but if you'd like just to do like a single vendor, you can do it. You can just use it for your own digital product. Okay, so you can just put your categories, you can add all your digital products. No fees, no ban, nothing. Don't use Shopify, don't use WooCommerce, don't use another platforms. You can install it for yourself, and it comes with a mobile app as well, so you will scale your business. Okay, guys, so in this video we are going to talk about how to download this great platform. Okay, and we are going to explain how to install it on your hosting and have like a domain name, install the script and have this great platform. Okay, and start like selling your digital product. Okay, so let's do it step by step. So guys, the first thing that you should do is coming to this website. It's called Auto Script Hub. Okay, I will put the link below in this description of this video, so you will find this great a digital marketplace. So just right here, Alasmart, as you can see, guys, Alasmart. Okay, click on this listing, click search now, and you will have this listing. Click on this. Now what we have to do is buy for $13. It's very cheap, guys. Just click buy now. Great. Now proceed to checkout. After that, you will put your email address here. Okay, and put your password as you want. Okay, then you can check out with PayPal. You can click check out with PayPal. Okay, let me try something else. Okay, check out with PayPal. PayPal, but I already bought this script, guys. Okay, so I will just go through telling or just giving you step by step how to install it, and I will tell you how to install it on your hosting. Okay. So guys, after installing or downloading the Alasmart from AutoScript Hub, you will get this WinRAR file. Okay, so I already extracted, as you can see, guys. This is the files. You will have the main file for script, for web, mobile app, SQL, and this zip code. Okay, you will get this. So now what we have to do, that we should go to our hosting and try to install this digital marketplace. Hey guys, so now we are going to start installing the script. So I'm going to use Hostinger. So this is my domain name. So first of all, guys, anyone doesn't have Hostinger, I will put the link on the description, so you can take that link, so you can get the 20% discount. Okay, so the first thing that we should do is that we're gonna test the domain name, if it works now, if it is working or not. So as you can see, guys, it's now working because there's nothing inside the file manager or the databases. Okay. So let's try now to install the script. Go into the file manager first. Okay. Then we already have this script that we already downloaded from AutoScript Hub. So now we are going to the public HTML. As you can see, guys, go to public HTML, and this is the main file. So you should upload this main files into your public HTML. Okay, select this, as you can see, and click on extract, and right here a dot. All right, guys, so this is what you should do. Okay, go through the main files, select all, click move, and click this folder. All right, and click move, and go to main files, delete, and delete this. All right. The second thing that you should do is go into databases. All right, let me remove this database because this is already a database for this website because I already installed it. So I'm gonna try to create another database. Okay, so to show you guys how this is working. So let me just write whatever you want here for the database name and add your password here, as you can see, guys, and click on create. So the database is going to be created. Great. So now what we have to do is select this name of the database, and this is the same name for the user. Okay, so this is username and this is database username. So what we have to do is go into PHP my admin. Okay, you should select or click this into PHP my admin. Here we are going to import the database. All right, so we are going just to wait a little bit of time. Now click on import, click choose file. We are going to this main files. No, this is not. Go into SQL and select the database. Great. Now disable foreign key checks and click import. So it's going to be imported now. Just wait a little bit of time. Great. It's successfully finished. Now what we have to do, go back to Hostinger again, as I said before. Copy this, go to public HTML, and you will find this file .env. Go to it, and you find some information, so you should modify some of them. Let me just, all right, great. Now first of all, you should modify this to production. Up debug, it should be false, and this okay, I'm going back to this. So go to database and pass this for username, pass this, and for database password, write your password. Okay, pass the username that you just copied from here. Okay, now what you have to do is, this is my domain name, by the way. Let me just copy it all. Let me go back to public HTML for .env file and pass your domain name here. Okay, it's full domain name, and delete the slash, the last slash, you have to delete it. Now what we have to do is click on this for save, and the file is going to be saved. Now great. Now what we have to do is go into home. Okay, now we are going to check the domain name, it has now the platform or not yet. Let me check this. Great. Now what we have, the platform, the digital marketplace, so you can start selling your digital products. Okay, another users, they could start selling on your marketplace, but you can use it for just your own business. All right, so as I said before, there is anything you need here. There is blogs, there is products, you can add your digital products, so the users could pay you by PayPal, by Stripe, by a bank account. There's another payment methods, you can use them. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. So don't forget, guys, that I will put my WhatsApp link, so you can contact me if you have any problem, as well as I will put the link to AutoScript Hub listing, so you can get your script from there, and I will put the Hostinger link, so you can check that link and you can get 20% discount. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a good day.